Avanwu Chief Peace Oba and Muna Tony the Lesboma Ijele Akokwa Ikenga. Oh, my very good friend. Then the Otua Mama Pugo. Papa Pugo Mama Po Ijele when you catch Kotomun near. The Harden of the other had the family move with unity. Thank you.
The basin and the baby and now the David's Catholic Church. I'm the Emeritus Archbishop of Owerri, His Grace, the Most Reverend Anthony Oman Obina. I think it's not I think the father in the river. I think no. Our priest, see about the last time. Father, David. I believe that by the grace of God, and you see the man has second function of John. They Father Ben do we cannot go ever. Our sister, his body is going, and the one other sister, I saw him now. The two banks of wires from the today. Then not like this, and then I said, thank you so much. I'm a little more. Maybe there is an action for what I offer. There's a number in the I said, who was there? They get about the doors of the left. Whereas they get my friends, some of them have to recognize, but I had so much. And I made a very cheap Peace Oba as a but I am only my twin brother. Come here, I'm here, and I got every day. So keep me company. I said, no. They get my friend, Honorable Jones, here. I said, no. They get my wife. My wife who takes it over as the only she of my prayer warriors. Onye owó isi ekpere n'ekpere, o ji ahụ aka ọmụ n'emetụ na my late mother, the young forties, born out, over that chairmanship and over to my wife. And I do to leadership get each other. My in-law, Chief Peter Weke Abiyono, onye Dioparam na so I said no. Make it my friend that I call strong man, Chijoke. Is a way. Make it now I'm facing this what I call one. Everywhere the first judge I call one. That is my lord Emeka here. I said no. That was the first judge from Akoko. And I did that very soon I did sitting out there. Okay, there. So I don't know. When last time, one of that, who will do the room or do the